Hi, I'm David King at davidleeking.com. This video is about Apple iPads for the BIGWIG Social Software Showcase, which is happening at ALA Annual. So watch this video, chime in on the comments, come visit me June 28th, chime in live. That would be awesome. Let's get started. What's good about the iPad? It's very easy to use. You can hold this thing the way you want. So, whichever way. If you wanted a bigger keyboard, you could just start like this. One neat thing about the new version of tablet PCs like this iPad, it's an all-in-one device. So there's email, web browser, movies, games, productivity apps, that type of thing. So what's bad about the iPad? The keyboard, although very handy, is a bit awkward at times. A lot of things revolve around iTunes and the App Store. So if I want to download something, I have to go to the App Store. And honestly, I find iTunes and the App Store a bit clunky. It's very much a heavy consumer tool, a bit lighter on content creation. So if you're typing something, yeah, load an app like Evernote or Pages, type away. That works fine. If you want to create multimedia content, that's a bit more difficult. Right now there's no multitasking, so if I go, say, to iTunes and want to do something and then decide I want to go to YouTube, I have to actually exit out of iTunes to go over to YouTube. With the new version of the iPhone coming out, iPhone 4, they've solved that problem for the iPhone, so I'm guessing multitasking will start to appear fairly soon on the iPad. One thing to remember is that everything will change on the iPad, just like it has been changing and improving on the iPhone. So keep that in mind, and you'll be fine with an iPad. How can libraries use iPads? I think there are quite a few ways. So yeah, I think iPads would work great as a roving reference tool, a tool to work with customers even outside of the building. Omaha Public Library up in Nebraska used these things for their summer reading sign-up program that they held in a park. It's also great as your conference friend. Some people have installed Pages, which is a great app for typing. I would actually go for Evernote, just because with Evernote it's an app that also is related to your Evernote account on the web. So instead of having your notes just on the iPad, they're on the web, easily accessible anywhere, from my iPhone, from this thing, from a computer, etc. And then from there I can take it, post it to my blog, dump it into Microsoft Word, make a report, whatever I need to do with it. Works great. Of course, while you're at the conference, you'll want to check in with your friends, right? To, of course, do committee work. So use Twitter or Facebook, whatever for that. Apps for that, all over iPad, or just use the web account. And that's it for the video. But the fun doesn't have to stop. Come to the BIGWIG Showcase, Monday, June 28th, 10:30 a.m. Come visit me and all the other people talking about stuff. I'll be talking about the iPad. We'll have a great time. Now, if I can only find that game again. Woohoo!